Hey! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down, select System, Languages and Input on Screen Keyboard and finally Keyboard. Over here go into Theme and click on this plus sign under My Themes. Then select one of those images, for example that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Sorry. Then select Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. Finally, click on Apply and simply go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!